Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to run Facebook ads for local business. The first thing you will need to do is sign in to your Facebook account. Once you have signed into your Facebook account, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you are going to tap on See All right below Gaming. After you have done that, you are going to select Page. And from here, if you don't already have a Facebook page for the business, you are going to create a Facebook page. And all you'll need to do is add the page name, which could be the business name. And you can choose the category that the business is in. You can also add a bio describing the business if you want. After you have done that, you are going to add a profile pic. And you're also going to add a background image or a banner image right here. To create a banner image or to create a nice looking profile pic, you can use Canva, as canva.com is a good platform to create an image for practically any platform, as you'll sign up on Canva for completely free using your email address. Once you have signed up to Canva, all you'll need to do is simply tap on the search bar, and from there you could simply type in Facebook. After you have typed in Facebook, you will see the option Facebook cover. You could tap on that, and then from there you'll be able to edit your Facebook cover. After you have done that and you have created your page, all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap on the X right there to close out. Then we're going to tap on See All again. And after you have tapped on See All, from there you're now going to tap on Add right here. So you're going to tap on Add. After you have tapped on Add, you want to ensure that from the left-hand menu option, you are signed into the page that you want. So you can see that at the moment I have 3 pages, so I could select any one of these that I would like to run the ad on. Once you have selected the page that you would like to use, which is the business page, all you'll need to do now is tap on Create New Ad. After you have tapped on Create New Ad, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, all you have to do now is scroll down. If this is your first time and you haven't posted anything, you won't be able to use, it would make sense to use a post because you haven't posted anything. But if there is a particular post that you have used before, you can simply tap on Use a Post and you'll be able to use it as your ad copy. But if this is your first time, which more than likely I am assuming it is, all you'll need to do is scroll down right where you see media. The first image that they'll be using is the image that is on your page. So you can choose whether you'd like to use that particular photo, or you could tap on Select Media. And from there, you can either choose to upload an image or you could select another image from the page. And again, Canva is a good platform if you would like to create a Facebook ad. All you'll have to do again is type in Facebook, then you could select Facebook ad, and you will see different ad templates that you can choose from. So all you'll need to do is simply scroll down and you can see different Facebook ad templates, as you can see right here. So you could use any one of these depending on the business that you're in. You could edit it to your liking. Once you have done that, you'll simply download the image. Then you would add the image right here. After adding the image, you're going to tap on Headline. And you're going to add the headline. And for example, once you have typed in the headline, you will realize that on the right hand column right here, you see the changes. Any changes you make, it will reflect on the left hand or the right hand menu option right here. So all you have to do is simply scroll down. So once you have scrolled down, you can decide the button that you would like to show. So for example, if you want them to shop now, you will select Shop Now. If it is a case that you want to receive calls, you'll tap on Call Now. Or if you want them to book, for example, for a consultation or so on, you could select Book Now. You have any one of these call to action buttons that you can choose from. So once you have done that, all you'll need to do is scroll down. Then you are going to add your website URL right here. You can do that. Or if it was a case that you tapped on Call Now, you would simply add your phone number right there. It all depends on the call to action that you have added. So once you have done that, you are going to simply scroll down, and then after scrolling down, you will now be able to choose your audience. And to choose the audience, all you have to do is tap on the pencil icon. Once you have tapped on the pencil icon, for example, let's say you would like to target persons in a particular state, all you have to do is simply type in that state. Let me show you real quick. And by the way, if you would like to target all genders or you would like to target only men or women, you can select that. And then to zone down on the state that you would like to target, for example, you're running a local business. So let's say we would like to target persons in California. All you'll have to do is simply type in California. Let me do that real quick. So I'll simply tap on location. Then I'm going to type in California right here. And you can see California, United States. And you can even zone it down further if you want. So as you can see right here, California, St. Redlands, California, United States. Or if you like to zone it down to California, San Francisco, you can do that. You can see different options you can choose from. So you can zone it down as much as you want. And you can see right there an image on the map. Once you have done that, you will scroll down and you will see the estimated audience that you'll reach. Then you are going to see detailed targeting. And this means the different interests. So you're running a local business. Let's say your local business is a barber shop. All you'll need to do right here is tap right there. Then from there, you could type in barbering. Let me do that real quick. So I'll type in barbering real quick. And you can see barber stylist, barber. You can select all of these options right there. And after selecting the options, all you'll need to do now is scroll down. Then you are going to tap on Save Audience. Once your audience has been saved, all you'll need to do now is set your budget. So you're going to scroll down. You'll decide how long you would like your ads to run for. Whether you would like them to run for 7 days or less or more days. You can also choose when you would like your ads to start running. After you have done that, you are going to tap on the pencil icon right beside $5 right here. And you're going to choose your budget. So let's say my daily budget is $10. I would simply type in $10 right there. And you'll be able to see the amount of clicks that you'll get on estimate, as you can see right there. And for running it for 7 days, it would cost me $70. Then all I would need to do now is simply tap on promote once I've filled in. And you can see right there, where would you like it to be placed? Would you like it to be placed on Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram? Or would you like it to be placed on Facebook alone and not on Instagram and Messenger? All you need to do is untick these boxes. Once you have unticked the boxes, all you'll need to do is simply tap back up. Then you can add your payment method. Once you have added your payment method, you will tap on promote now in the bottom right hand corner. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.